All right, today we got the Mega Prism. Haven't gotten to open one of these ones yet. Found it at Target. They finally had it, so let's rip it, see what happens. As I'm sure you're all aware, the Mega only comes with 6 packs, 7 cards per pack. Let's see what we hit. Pack number 1. Ooh, DeAndre Swift. Hey, we got a patch. CJ Stroud. Nice. Pack 2. Oh, look who's on the back. Josh Allen. Jaden Daniels. Some basic. Pack number 3. Oh, Travis. That's a nice. Ooh, Devontae Adams. Ooh, Larry Fitzgerald, prismatic. Mike Evans. Golden Tate in the back. A little Jordan Love. Hunter Henry. Alright, last pack. Hopefully we get something good. Gotten some decent ones. Well, that's it. So, these are the hits out of this pack. CJ Stroud patch is pretty nice. My wife's going to be happy about that.